Illustrated Guide to Visual Inspection, Fire Alarm and Detection System. Fire Alarm Panel. Ensure there is a sounder adjacent the fire alarm panel. Ensure there is a manual call point adjacent the fire alarm panel. Ensure there is a fire zone chart adjacent the fire alarm panel. Ensure there is a bypass switch to isolate services before testing adjacent the fire alarm panel. Ensure the fire alarm battery is as specified. Ensure outgoing cables from the fire alarm panel are neatly installed. Ensure a fire alarm logbook is provided. Ensure the fire alarm evacuation procedure is provided. Power supply. Ensure the double pole key switch has circuit reference label. Ensure the double pole key switch has a do not switch label. Ensure the double pole switch is mounted at high level as specified. Ensure the double pole key switch is a red fuse connection with a double pole key switch as specified. Fire alarm interface unit. Ensure the fire alarm interface is provided for all the services which require it, such as gas panel, mechanical ventilation, sprinkler system, door access control, and lift. Ensure the interface unit is covered as installed. Smoke detector. Ensure detectors are covered to prevent dust contamination during installation. Ensure detectors are positioned as per design drawings. Ensure the detector spacing are as designed. Ensure the detectors are positioned correctly in the room with racking, sloping ceiling, rooms with down stand beams. Ensure detectors are not positioned close to walls. Ensure void detection is provided as necessary. Ensure remote indicator is provided for void detection. Ensure detectors are coordinated with ventilation grill and located away from supply vent. Ensure detectors are coordinated with ceiling mounted luminaires. Ensure detectors head are labeled. Ensure the detector head position to cover the entire space. Manual call point. Ensure the manual call point does not clash with radiators, dado trunking, etc. Ensure the manual call points are mounted as specified. Ensure manual call points are positioned as per design drawings. Ensure manual call points are not obstructed by the room furnitures. Cable specification. Ensure the fire alarm cable are fire rated. Ensure the main cable to the fire alarm panel is fire rated. Ensure the main cable is supplied from the main switch gear and not a local distribution board. Ensure the main cable is not protected by RCD device. Ensure the fire alarm cable are installed on containment. Ensure the fire alarm cable are supported with metal clips when installed on building surface. Rubber clips should not be used to support fire alarm cable. Ensure the fire alarm cable is segregated from other cables. Sounders. Ensure the sounders are mounted as specified. Ensure the sounders are positioned as per the drawing. Ensure the sounders are not obstructed by room furniture. Ensure the sound pressure level in all room is recorded on the as installed drawing. Ensure the external sounder is provided.